Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I get more than 10 messages every single day in my direct messaging asking to review your Instagram account, and you always write me that you have a problem with hashtags or with your engagement and stuff like this. And when I go to your Instagram account, I see that you do a lot of mistakes, because the problem is with hashtags does not really come only with the problem of hashtags. Instagram has a lot of elements in it, and these all elements work as one unite machine. So that is why I decided to make a series of the video where I'm going to talk about important Instagram elements and how to improve it. And let's dive into it. So when you open your Instagram account, the first thing that you see is the picture, the bio description. This is the first impression, the first image, the first business card, if you wish. It is kind of a business card of your Instagram profile. So that is why today we're going to talk about how to optimize your Instagram profile for search, what exactly you need to put in your bio description, how your profile image is supposed to look, and all this important stuff about the first section. And let's begin. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell button to not miss any of my videos. And also don't forget to follow by Social Mafia Instagram, where I'm sharing a lot of tips and tricks how to grow your Instagram account. And especially it's going to be interesting for business owners, and if you're a specialist within a specific area like a graphic design, marketing, please make sure to write me a direct message or fill up the form in the bio description for the collaboration, because this page is not only about me sharing some important stuff, but I also would love to involve you guys and your talents and to speak up on this Instagram page, doing live together and different types of collaboration. Number one thing, then when we open an Instagram profile, you see the picture, and the picture, it is really important because your picture pops up not only once you open Instagram profile, but also it pops up when you see stories, when you see suggested Instagram accounts, basically everywhere. And that's why it's really important to use the right image as your profile picture on your Instagram. And number one, a tip for you, if you're a brand, if you're running a business and your Instagram profile is dedicated to a specific business, the best way, of course, to use your logo. But if your logo is containing some text into it, like sometimes you have also some really important brand keywords on this logo, and make sure if you have words to make your logo as close as possible so people can read what it is written there. I see a lot of mistakes when people publish their logos, their Instagram profile picture, and then it's really far and it's really hard to understand what it is written on it. If you are a personal brand, if you're like influencer coach, then it's a little bit more complicated with your profile picture, because I would not recommend you to use a logo. I would rather recommend you to use your picture and close-up shot of yourself. Make sure that you have a clean background of the picture and that your face occupies at least 80% of the whole space of the image, and as close as possible that your face is visible on it. So here are some good examples. You can see it right here, also here, really good examples of close-up shots for the personal brand's accounts. And I see also sometimes people use a kind of a graphic elements in there as a profile image. I would not use it unless you're really popular person, and then people can really recognize you from the caricature or cartoon style drawing picture. So instead, better use just a normal picture of yourself where your eyes are visible, where your face is visible. And the next thing, we're gonna go to the profile description. So guys, the first thing that you see when it comes to the profile description is the first bolded line, and this line is really crucial, because first line of your bio description works as search engine optimization works in Google. That's how people can find you through the search on Instagram, and that's really important to use the right keywords for your bio description. So for example, if you're a sport coach, write sport coach and then / your name. I feel like putting the name on the first line is also really important, because you want people actually know what's your name, because sometimes, even though I have my name on my Instagram account, but sometimes people write me, hey Lemuria, but actually my name is Tatiana. So I really want people to know my name, and I would do that first, put the relevant keywords within your niche and then / your name. That's the best option to go. And for the brands, it's really important to use the keywords as well. A lot of people make mistakes putting on the first line the name of their brand, but if your brand is not really known, it's gonna be not that easy for people to find you, because since they don't know you, it's easier would be for them to find you through the relevant keywords. For example, you're selling sustainable products and and you just can write sustainable products, right? Or maybe you're specialized on soaps or anything like that. So make sure to use these keywords as precise as possible that describes what exactly you're doing, so people can easily find your Instagram account within the Instagram search. And normally brands should use the name of their brand as the user profile name. The second line indicates the category to which your Instagram account is referring. This you can set up once you switch from a personal Instagram account either to a business account or creator account. However, the categories differ from the creator Instagram account and the business Instagram account. For you to answer the questions, which should you use, because sometimes I also get this question whether you should switch to a creator Instagram account or business Instagram account. Well, here's the thing, just ask yourself a question to which category you refer your Instagram account. If you're selling physical goods or services, then you probably business, so it's like a business or a company, let's say it like this. But if you're just being by yourself, if you're behind what you're selling, behind the services you promote, then it's more comes to a creator category on Instagram. So once you choose one of these categories, you'll be able to locate your Instagram account to a specific category that is suggested by Facebook. When I talk about Facebook, I mean Instagram, or vice versa, you know what I mean, because Instagram is owned by Facebook. People actually ask me, is it really matter which niche or which category to choose suggested by Facebook? My point here is when Facebook is offering something, it's not for nothing. I would really choose the niche or the category to which your Instagram account referring. I believe it's going to be easier for Instagram algorithm to identify and to allocate your Instagram profile to other similar profiles out there. So that is why, yes, just think logically to which niche, to which industry, to which category you would refer your Instagram profile, and then just choose that one. The other lines after the category should contain more information about your product or services, about yourself, the thing that you think are really important for the users to know. I know that people sometimes use really catchy words, but it's not really necessary to be extremely creative. Just try to explain what exactly you're doing, what your Instagram account is about. And here as well, you can add your branded hashtag, or you can tag as well accounts that belongs to you, which I think is pretty cool, because when you put branded hashtag or Instagram profile that belongs to you, these two things are clickable and people can easily open this Instagram profile or hashtags and start following it. So this space should be used for describing more precisely what exactly you're offering, what exactly your unique selling proposition, and tagging your Instagram profile if you want, or branded hashtag. The last really important sentence that should be in your Instagram profile description is call to action. Any call to action that you think is reasonable for your Instagram profile. For example, if you are personal trainer and you offer online training course or offline training course, you should write book a call or book a training session with me, and then use one of the smileys that points arrow down, and then the next thing you would insert is the link to your page where you would describe more precisely how the processes work. If you're, for example, a YouTuber, then you say watch more videos and then point down to your YouTube channel. Your call to action is depending on what exactly you're trying to promote outside of Instagram. But what can you do if you have several links and several channels you want to promote on Instagram accounts? There are a lot of services that offer this multi-link mini landing pages. My favorite ones are TapLink and Tilda. I'm gonna share with you guys now how those both links are working. Be careful because Instagram constantly blocks those kind of links. So the TapLink and the Tilda, actually I did not hear anyone who use this and their links were blocked by Instagram. So I would use those two services because they are secure services. However, I really warn you to be careful once you pick one of these services. All right, let me jump to my computer so I can start sharing with you how to create this multi-link mini landing pages. The first service that I want to share with you guys called TapLink, and let's begin. So once you get on this page, you just click get started for free. Of course, you have to pay for the services. So after signing in, I'm gonna skip this step. You will appear on this page that you can actually modify. For example, you just click add a new blog and you can add a lot of things here like videos, messaging app, subtitle, open website, and here you put the link to your YouTube channel. You can go from blog to blog and insert as many things as you want. We can even add forms and payments, but this is a business version, so you have different packages here. Free ones are only those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest you'll have to pay for it. And let's check this how much it costs. The business one is $50 to $54 per year, and you can choose different packages, and $12 per quarter for the pro. And yeah, basically that is how it works. And the second type of this multi-links comes with Tilde, and it's absolutely for free. So you go to Tilde after logging in and signing up. You just click create a website for free. Since I already have mine, I'm just gonna go and hit login. All right, so here we're gonna click start a new website, and we're just gonna give trial project, create, and after the trial project you will have to click create new page, and here you have to go to contacts, and here you have already some templates for the link, for the multi-link. So you have free templates. For example, we can choose this one and go ahead and create. So here basically you choose your picture. It works very easy. You just go ahead and click content, change the background, and then image title and description. So step by step you change different text, you change your login information, social networks links. You just basically add different links here, and then you'll have icon of your social media stuff. Here you can change all these buttons, you can add buttons, and really a lot of stuff. So we're just gonna go ahead and click publish, and here you can give for example my Instagram account and save. Voila, you just copy it and continue. This is super cool because it's absolutely for free, this name. And we just go ahead and click save, open page. We're just gonna copy it and then insert it to your Instagram profile description. That is all. Guys, and the last thing that I wanna share with you in this video is how to add geolocation and some call to action buttons on your Instagram profile. Just note that those kind of services that you can add the geolocation and additional call to action are only possible for the business Instagram profiles. It's not working for creator Instagram accounts. So if you want to add either geolocation or some call to action buttons, then you need to switch your Instagram profile to a business Instagram profile. So let's have a look how it works. Here we are, and then we need to just click edit profile button. Here you have different options, for example contact options. So in contact options and business address you can basically add your geolocation where your business is located. The other thing you can add is add an action button, and here offers you a lot of different services. For example, it does work for the appointments, for scheduling the calls, and you just go ahead and choose any of the services. By connecting to one of the services, there will be a call to action button, and people, your users, by clicking directly on this button can schedule a call with you online, can book an appointment, and other call to action that makes sense for your business. All right, guys, that was it for today. In the next videos, I'm going to be sharing how to create story highlights and really design cool story highlights covers that are pretty modern, because I see a lot of people are using really weird covers for the highlights, which I think aesthetically it's not really nice. So in the next video I'm going to be sharing a few methods how to create really nice covers for your highlight. The next video is going to be out on Friday as usual. If there's any comments or questions, make sure to write it below, and if you have any ideas for the next video, make sure to write your ideas as well in the comments, because I create content based on your requests.